In today's video, I'll show you how to create a recurring task in Asana. If you often manage tasks that repeat daily, weekly, or even monthly, setting them to recur can truly save you time and keep your workflow streamlined. So let's jump straight in. To begin, head over to the Asana website. If you're not logged in already, you'll want to click the Login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your account details and you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your projects, tasks, and teams are displayed, ready for you to dive into. Next, you'll want to open the specific project where your recurring task will reside. Think of projects within Asana as neatly organized containers that hold all related tasks and objectives. Once you've navigated to the right project, select the task you need to repeat. When you click on this task, a Task Details panel will pop up. This panel is quite comprehensive, showing due dates, any notes you've added, attachments, and plenty more to keep your task organized. At this point, you'll want to focus specifically on the due date field. Clicking on it will bring up a calendar interface. Now at the bottom of this calendar, there is a handy option to Set to Repeat. Click on that and you're on your way to setting up a recurring schedule for this task. Asana really shines in its flexibility here. You've got the option to customize fully, select whether you want the task to recur daily, weekly, or monthly. And if those options don't quite fit, there's even a custom schedule feature for you to explore. For example, let's say you select weekly. You can then pinpoint exactly which days of the week the task should recur, tailoring it just to your needs. And there you have it. Your recurring task is now all set up. It will automatically pop up on the schedule you defined, freeing your mind to focus on what truly matters rather than on repetitive scheduling tasks. Before we wrap up, it's a good idea to double-check your settings just to ensure everything aligns with your needs. By setting up recurring tasks, you're not only simplifying your workflow, but you're also making sure essential steps are never missed. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful Asana tips. Happy organizing, and see you next time.